OMG, social pala ang Sogo Hotel sa Macapagal Boulevard. Hindi ito sponsored post ha, magiging honest naman ako always. Grabe ang excellent na staff, grabe ang service, talo ang mga five-star hotels. Sa totoo lang ha, maraming five-star hotels na ang bagal ang service. Anyway, I found the hallway elegant, as in I was pleasantly surprised kasi I don't really expect Sogo to look like this. And then may lamp pa sa door, pati ang room number sign elegant. OMG, panalo. Ito pa, may double door sa room for the noise. Obsessed din ako sa mood lighting nila. Mood 1, yellow. Mood 2, red. Obsessed. Para akong nasa isang Wong Kar-wai movie, very in the mood for love. Best visual film ever if you haven't seen it. Ang sarap ng moment ko dito just listening to music sa smart TV. Have to be honest, initially nasa ibang room ako. Tapos the TV was not working, tumawag ako sa front desk. In a few minutes, may umakyat, may solution agad. They changed me to another room na upgraded pa. I swear talo ng Sogo ang maraming mas mahal na hotel na puro chika and formal lang speech pero mabagal sa action. And may halo-halo pa, buti pa si Sogo may mga maayos na food promo. Ito lang, they really need to make their soaps larger. Ang motto pa naman nila, so clean, so good. How can you clean yourself in a good way kung ganyan ang size? Sogo, kind suggestion lang naman ito. Hindi masamang to increase the size of the soap a little bit more pa. Malinis ang lobby nila. I am obsessed with these waiting couches for discretion. May comfortable couches din sila. From a design perspective though, too empty ang space overall. They need to add more couches siguro and tall plants to balance everything visually. May mala in the mood for love photo background pa sa lobby. Obsessed ako talaga dito. Overall, Sogo Macapagal Boulevard was surprisingly elegant, and more five-star hotels should visit Sogo and learn from how fast and excellent their staff is. Click follow for the next story.